So what's going on, guys? Now let's make this video very simple and very straight to the point. Now I have been selling on Amazon FBA and doing this FBA thing for more than 2 years now. And I have created some great and cool techniques to engage with the customers and make them purchase from you again and again and again. Now I know Amazon doesn't provide you the contact details of your customers. Then how do I manage to get all the details of my customers? So I use few techniques to do that. So let me first show you my today's sales. So here you can see the Amazon seller app. So here you can see last 30 days sales is close to 5 lakhs and today's sales is almost 27.04k. So I have already crossed my daily goal of 23 to 24,000 and there's still a lot of hours left to complete the day. But let me show you my PPC spend. So here you can see the PPC. Let me refresh this page. So the PPC spend today is 1180 rupees. So I take my customers inside a ManyChat list, and it is like a customers list that I have to make. So when they are in my ManyChat list, I take their contact details and I do this type of cool things. Now let me first tell you what I exactly tell to my customers in order to get their contact details and their addresses. So I mainly ask them to register for their guarantee with the guarantee registration card that I provide inside every product. And in that process, I also ask them, in order to register for the guarantee, they have to provide their address and their name and their contact details. And as soon as I get those contact details, then starts the next thing. So I use ManyChat to give my customers a small and very lesser priced gifts, and I ask them that they are our 10,000th customer and they are very special to us, so we are offering them a free gift. So I tell them that you are our special 10,000th customer and we have a very special gift for you, and in order to get this gift you have to go through following steps. And in that steps I ask them to provide honest feedback about our product. And one thing to note, that I never ask them to provide a positive review, and it is just the human loyalty and the gift that tends the reviews to be all 5 stars, and even they share photos and videos of the product being used. The next thing that I do is I also provide a pamphlet with the product package, and that pamphlet has a list of products that I sell, and it also has a 15% off coupon code along with the pamphlet. Now that pamphlet has also a 15% off coupon code mentioned on the pamphlet, and beside all those products in the pamphlet I have a QR code. And once that QR code is scanned, it leads them to my Amazon brand store. And if you don't know what our brand store is, Amazon basically lets you create your own brand store with multiple pages. You can add photos, videos on that, and it is only applicable to those who has a brand and who is registered for the brand registry. And trust me, they do scan and purchase a lot of items, because I also send a handwritten thank you card along with the product, and that also interests them and makes them interested in more of our products of our brand. And I also send this same pamphlet along with a letter, a thank you letter, which asks them that if they have any problem, they faced any problem with the product, it tells them, and if they wanted to claim their warranty, it tells them that. And in that letter I also sent along with the letter a pamphlet, the same pamphlet that I used to provide inside the product package. It also has that 15% off coupon code along with it. The main thing the customers finds in this letter is that they think that I am checking that if anything gone wrong with the purchase or not. It simply adds an extra value in front of my customer eyes for my brand. Since I have already taken their addresses and contact details, then and these addresses I use to send these postcards with the pamphlet to their postal address, and it costs less than 7 rupees to send these postcards to them. And these few things helps a lot, and it tends to be more beneficial according to my experience that I saw doing this thing. Now that's the video, and if you want a more step-by-step video and full guide on every step of Amazon FBA business, then I would encourage you to join my Amazon FBA 8 weeks personal one-on-one coaching. It teaches you everything from A to Z, from starting your business the legal way to sourcing your products, finding your products, sourcing from China, importing from China, then sourcing from India, creating your product listing, creating your images, then launching your product, dealing with PPC for launches, and the whole launch process. I also share how you can launch your second and third and fourth products too. So if you're interested in this personal one-on-one 8 weeks coaching program, then you can email me on the email address provided in the description. And if you want to know more what's included in this coaching, then you can watch the video. तो मैं इस 8 वीक पर्सनल वन-ऑन-वन कोचिंग का स्ट्रक्चर बता देता हूँ आप लोगों को कि क्या क्या इसमें इंक्लूडेड रहेगा। तो ये वन-ऑन-वन पर्सनल कोचिंग 8 वीक्स का रहेगा और ये होगा गूगल मीट पे, और एक वीक में टोटल 3 कोचिंग सेशंस रहेगा और एक एक कोचिंग सेशन लगभग 2 to 3 आवर्स रहेगा। एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 3 सेशंस 2 सेशंस रहेगा जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगा, और एक सेशन एक बोनस सेशन रहेगा जिसमें आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन पिछले सेशंस के ऊपर, या फिर आप लोग मुझे प्रोडक्ट आइडियाज देंगे, मैं उसको वैलिडेट करूंगा लाइव, और कोई भी बंडलिंग आइडियाज, प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन, कुछ भी आप वहाँ पे हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे। और मैं इस कोचिंग सेशन के लिए सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को एनरोल करूंगा, क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक श्योर एवरी पर्सन इन दिस ग्रुप लॉन्चेस अ सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट। और मेरा गोल ये कोचिंग से ये है कि जितना भी स्टूडेंट्स उस ग्रुप में रहेगा वो लोग 100% सक्सेस रेट अचीव करें, और सिर्फ इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को ही एनरोल करने का मौका दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैं ज्यादा लोगों को एनरोल करता हूँ तो मैं पूरी फोकस नहीं दे पाऊंगा उन सब पर्सन्स के ऊपर। तो मैं पूरा आप लोगों को गाइड करूंगा इस कोचिंग में, फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर बिजनेस टू फाइंडिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, validating your product ideas, validating the bundle ideas, to launching your product successfully, managing your PPC campaigns, everything covered in this coaching session. और मैं ये भी गाइड करूंगा ताकि आप लोग एकदम सक्सेसफुली सही से आपका लॉन्च स्ट्रैटेजी इंप्लीमेंट कर पाए, और मैं आप लोगों को अपना PPC कैंपेन मैनेज करने के लिए भी गाइड करूंगा one-on-one, एंड यू विल गेट फुल एक्सेस टू माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर एंड माई पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर, ताकि अगर कोई भी डाउट आप लोगों का हो तो आप लोग इजीली मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट में रह सकते हैं। और ये 10 से 12 लोगों को फुल एक्सेस मिलेगा मेरे इनर सर्कल का, जिसमें आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आई विल वर्क ऑन एंड आई एम करेंटली वर्किंग ऑन। आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज विद देम। तो ये पूरा A to Z कोचिंग होगा जिसमें मैं सब कुछ कवर करूंगा A to Z, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर Amazon बिजनेस, द प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च, कीवर्ड रिसर्च, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, ऑल इंपोर्ट रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम चाइना, then creating a listing, images, all basics about images, then creating your listing, everything will be covered in this coaching. Launching your product, managing your PPC, all advanced strategies of ranking, then how to get reviews, all advanced automation for reviews and customer engagement, ManyChat automation, review automation, everything will be covered in this course. And I will be taking only a small group of people in this coaching, just to make sure every person in this group gets attention fully from myself, so that they can launch their product successfully and I can achieve 100% success rate. My sole reason of taking only 10 to 12 people in this group is just to make sure I guide them personally in every step of the journey and launching a successful product, so that they can achieve 100% success rate launching their products and make enough profit from starting. And I will be coaching only 10 to 12 people, just to make sure that every person in this group gets full attention from me while launching their products. So I'll guide every 12 out of 12 people in this group, and I'll make sure they launch their product successfully and start making profit as soon as possible. So now let's talk about the eligibility. So I will not be pricing this coaching very high like most of the other personal coaching program does. So I will take only 10 to 12 people for this coaching, depending on their eagerness to start a business and their ability to take massive actions. So now let's talk about the pricing. So the whole one-on-one coaching plus my personal mentorship, plus the access to my personal mobile number until launching your first product, plus my access to my WhatsApp number for lifetime, and access to the inner circle where I share all the strategies that I am working right now and I will be working in the future. And all this is just for 9,999 rupees, and I will be taking only 10 to 12 people in this group, and I will not be taking any more. You can buy digital courses which will be more expensive, and even the one I bought costed me around 28,000 rupees during 2018. And in digital course it becomes very hard to get access to the mentor itself and sharing your product details, discussing your launch strategies, discussing your PPC campaign strategies, why the product is not working, what strategy you should apply. That everything becomes very complex in case of digital course. So this coaching will be starting from October 2nd week, and you can email me if you are interested to enroll for this course. The email address will be here displayed in the screen. And once you email me, I will ask you a few questions and send you the payment details. And I will be announcing the exact dates after discussing with all of the members. Since it's a one-on-one personal coaching, so I will make sure your product selection is great and it's a winning product. So I will guide you in every step from A to Z. So email me on this email address before all the 12 seats gets filled up. So enroll fast if you are interested, and I will see you guys in the next video.